Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Mobility 316, doing a quick video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. For those of you that don't have 20 minutes to watch our one-of-a-kind detailed video, give me 60 seconds. Let me tell you about this van real quick. Brand new, deep cut ATS conversion, ADA compliant. I can operate this entire conversion with 2 fingers. Pinch, flip, check this out. 1 finger. Tell the customer if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this conversion with ease. Got your deep cut here to hold 2 wheelchairs at a time. Check out these extended tie downs. Turn that on. Got your Q-straight tie downs in here. Your tie downs will come all the way out of the vehicle. So that way, when you got your flip base seating there, you don't have to fight over the top of those. Simply come out, put these on the chair, flip the button down, and then they don't pull, but they will retract. Check it out here. They won't release back. So this helps get larger patients in as well. And also you don't have to fight in between this little space right here to get inside. So we got free shipping in the lower 48 states, never any hidden bogus dealers fees. Comes with a 90-day nationwide factory type warranty, brand new tires, free Carfax, best price guarantee. Mobility 316. For those who got a little more time, let's dig into it. 34-inch wide ramp. I strongly suggest if you're going to start a business, non-emergency medical transport, maybe one for a facility, you get the wider ramps. If you get a narrow side entry conversion, 30 inches wide, you're not going to be able to haul the bigger chairs. If you can't haul the bigger chairs, guess what? You're going to go right to the bottom of the list for all these brokers and facilities out there trying to find people that can haul all their patients. They don't want someone that can haul half their patients. They want someone that can haul all their patients. So get your rear entry. They're about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts in the wintertime. And if there were a vehicle parked right here and you're in a side entry, you could not get out of the van because the vehicle would be blocking you in. That doesn't happen with the rear entry, and the rear entry is about $10,000 more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Some of the major advantages to rear entry, looking for side entry, full size, like a ProMaster or Transit, got wheelchair accessible trucks and SUVs. Got about 100 vehicles in Wichita, Kansas, all with a nationwide warranty on all of them. Free shipping, free Carfax, best price guarantee, Mobility 316. So that 800-pound weight capacity on this, you got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 57 inches once you're inside the van. Up front, hop back here, got your shoe-strength, tie-down and warranty information there. Plug-ins for your electronics, got your cup holders there. Dual climate control rear air, you can sync up your phone, backup camera. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road. When you get everybody situated, come back out, simply reverse the process. And I want to warn you, a lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, kind of like Braun, for example. Well, that's what they get paid to say. What do you expect them to say? But I want you to ask them what their warranty is. They're going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. Well, ours is 3 years, unlimited miles, and it doesn't rattle near as much as that Braun. So pretty easy to see who has the best built conversion. Also be aware, a lot of the big box stores are going to try to trick you into spending $10,000 too much. They're going to say things like, you need to buy from us here at Mobility Works or United Access so we can let you get you service to any of our multiple locations. Folks, simply not true. First of all, these conversions are pretty much bulletproof. Second of all, if your vehicle did need service, they would love to service it for you because that's a major source of revenue for them. Don't let that used car salesman trick you into spending 10 grand too much. Got the nice look to it. Got your brand new tires, 4 brand new tires all the way around. A couple scratches on us, touch-up paint, okay? Little touch-up paint right there, all right? If I don't tell you about this stuff, you're probably never going to notice it. But we do full disclosure here. That's why I'm the only one in the country who does these videos. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. How we do it simple, it's low overhead. Small scratch right there, but again, full disclosure, that's how we do things here. It's how we can save you $10,000. I started this company 14 years ago. I had one goal in mind. I want to produce the highest quality vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. I said, I don't want to copy United Access and Mobility Works Superior with their dozens to hundreds of locations. They literally have millions of dollars more in overhead every single month that we don't have. That's why they have to charge so much for their vans. So I said, what I want to do, 5 simple steps, but I want to crush their prices, but I still want to be able to service the entire country. So I said, number one, I'm going to start a dealership right in the middle of the country, the Midwest, Wichita, Kansas. Low cost of living means low overhead, means low prices. Number two, being right in the middle of the country, I can now offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service all of our customers. Number three, I'm going to do super detailed videos like you're watching right now to fully educate you about the condition, how the conversion works, measurements, Carfax, test drive. You know everything there is to know about this van before you buy. Number four, I apologize. I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff means more overhead, means that I have to raise my prices. No, thank you. I let our amazing reputation, our one-of-a-kind videos, and our 50 pictures or so of every van do all the selling. And then finally, number five, I'm gonna make sure every single vehicle comes with a nationwide warranty, folks. This is a 90-day 3,000 mile bumper to bumper nationwide warranty, 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. We have very long-term warranties available as well that are very affordable. Talk to us about how we can affordably help protect your investment long-term. Also, no matter who you buy from, get you a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. You bet your backside I got this van right here in my possession. Don't get scammed. Do your due diligence. Also, don't be afraid to ask for an ID. Make sure their ID matches their name. This is all ways to keep from getting scammed. Make sure you don't get scammed. All right, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country goes over the Carfax with you, shows you why I believe in this vehicle, enough to spend my own money on it, why you can believe in it too. This one's pretty simple. Shows 1 owner, no accidents or damage, 16 service records. This is an A+ Carfax report, and you can see this entire Carfax on the website at no charge to you. See this entire Carfax, like I said, for free on the website. No salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuild titles. One owner, clean title, no accidents or damage, and amazing service history. A+ Carfax report. Never been structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And no matter who you buy from, get online, do some due diligence, look them up. Find us on eBay. 1,925 transactions. Every single one of those transactions had left us positive feedback, 100%. I think that reputation speaks for itself. And if you're like me, I go out to check out reviews to eat a $10 cheeseburger. I'm like you. I work hard for my money. I want the best bang for my buck, even if it's just a $10 cheeseburger. If you're gonna check out reviews for $10 food, meals, probably a pretty good idea. If you're gonna buy a $30,000, $40,000 mobility vehicle, get online, check out some reviews and ratings. I hear the horror stories all the time. These buyers, they tell me how they bought from a private seller or Facebook Marketplace, the 2 most dangerous places in the world to buy a vehicle. Number 1, you don't know if they jumped that title. If you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out real quick if you're gonna buy from one of them. Number 2, you don't get to see thousands of reviews online to know that you're dealing with someone that's straight up with you. And finally, most importantly, you have no protection from the state. You buy from me, a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas. If I don't provide the title, if I scam you out of the vehicle, you can call the Department of Revenue, dealer licensing. They are the law. They will come put me in jail if I try to scam you, and it costs you nothing. You get scammed by a private seller or Facebook Marketplace, on top of the $1,000 you've already been scammed, you now get to hire a lawyer at $300 or $400 an hour, chase this person around the country, around the world, try and get some of your money back. Yeah, good luck with that. So, whether it's one of these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings, maybe low 4-star, nothing close to our 4.8, or they do end up buying from one of these private sellers or a Facebook Marketplace. And like I mentioned, the dealers that don't know the law or don't care about the law, I hate these buyers buy these vehicles have salvage titles they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, a frame rusted out so bad the vehicle's unsafe to drive and it won't pass inspection in your state. So, the bottom line is, if you want to roll the dice on a huge purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from the dealer, mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews, with free shipping, free Carfax reports, minimum nationwide warranties with every single vehicle, and the best prices in the country, reach out to us. We're happy to help. Right back, the van has 1 key here. If you want to get additional keys made on your dime, very affordably, we'd be happy to do so. Black cloth interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Flip base seating, just a little different view of setup right here, okay? If you want to put these seats down, pull that T-handle forward right there. Push the seat down, okay, good to go. So let me show you, get these seats down, let you check it out. All right, second row of seats, got your captain's chairs here. These recline, nice comfortable seating, plenty of room for a wheelchair in back, as you can see, if you want to haul 4 plus a wheelchair, you're good to go there. When I go to turn the van on, 58,488 miles. We can put a full tank of gas in here. Like I said, turnkey, ready to roll, earn your company some money, all right? Got your no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Got your backup camera there. Great safety feature to have, of course. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We check all the power mirrors and windows. I'm gonna show you those moving right now. Check all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these vehicles on a road test. Obviously, we check the tires, got 4 brand new tires on it. Check and replace fluids as necessary. I'm even gonna show you the back vent windows back here, all right? We're very thorough in everything we do. And oh, by the way, I want you to go into your local mobility dealer. I want you to see how many of them have a lift in there, a lift to get the van up to fully inspect it. You cannot fully inspect the vehicle we crawl underneath like this to fully inspect the vehicle. I want you to ask your mobility dealer, do they have a lift? Because we have 6 of them here at Mobility 316. We invest in our vehicles, and we fully inspect every vehicle. So check that out before you buy. And private sellers, they don't have a lift. They can't fully inspect the vehicle. So things to be thinking about when you're buying. You know, we're very thorough, and people, 2 of the reasons we are so thorough: one, when this vehicle shows up to your place with our free shipping, I want you to say that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represents in the pictures and videos. Number 2, I'm applying for a job right now. I take that very serious. I'm applying to be your mobility dealer. Look at these lazy ads out there, 4 or 5 lazy pictures. Too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video. That's the kind of, once you look at their resume compared to ours, you let me know who you want to invest your hard-earned money in. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idle smoothly. I can see the fluids have been checked and filled. No leaks, no damage. Sound purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of pumping out metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. You know, that's the #1 mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's low mileage, just because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been a bad accident or a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. You know, I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. What happens? These dealers take on a flood. They're going to rush these vehicles over to auction. They're going to dump them off to make them someone else's problem. The reason I'm telling you this, that kind of stuff can happen to a brand new vehicle. You better know what you're getting for your purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competitors. I don't care if it's a private seller. I don't care if it's Facebook Marketplace. I don't care if it's another dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone that's straight up? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a super detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of any accident damage, no signs of any rust for being in a flood or anything like that. Do they throw in a complimentary 90-day nationwide warranty? Of course they don't. How about the rooftop? You know, often I get up at auction, I look at one of these, and the roof is just trashed with hail damage. $10,000 or $15,000 worth of damage, but the sellers don't fix the roof a lot of times because most people don't get up there and look. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and you better do the same. Okay, that's an expensive price tag to get those roofs fixed. So when it comes to price, reputation, full transparency, and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, accompanied by complimentary nationwide warranty with a best price guarantee, please put our resume next to anybody in the country. You tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if the title or vehicle have VIN number issues? They won't pass inspection in your state. Bottom line is, and if you can't get a vehicle past inspection, you can't drive it. You spend a whole lot of money on a vehicle you can't even pull out of your driveway. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 3 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video. I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new pair of flip-flops off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. And if they won't get you a detailed video, what are they trying to hide from you? This is way too big of an investment to find out. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax is the most expensive VIN inspection there is, but it's also the most thorough. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. And your seller should be paying for the Carfax. You're telling me someone's asking you to spend 30, 40 grand on a vehicle, but they won't spend 45 bucks on a Carfax? This is where all the red flags, all the bells, sirens, whistles in your brain should be going, this is not adding up. Something is going on here. Why won't they spend 45 bucks on a Carfax? If they want to spend 45 bucks on a Carfax, do you think they spent $800 if it needed new tires? Of course they didn't. They're too cheap. Do not risk, don't risk it. Demand a Carfax. Finally, demand a warranty. This particular van got a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide, factory-type nationwide warranty, bumper to bumper, good at the shop of your choice, no deductible, best warranty in the country. And we have very affordable long-term warranties, including unlimited mile warranties for the price of a candy bar a day for your NEMTs, your companies out there. You can drive these to the moon and back. Talk to us about how we can affordably help protect your investment long-term. All right, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out of the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, if you come drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. You see the steering wheel's nice and straight this entire test drive, no unusual vibration or noise, pops up to 65 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. I'm very impressed with it. I know you would be as well. And keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that. but we 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here, so help us keep overhead low and prices even lower. I need you to take 30 seconds of your life, call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Speaking of used car salesmen, we don't have any hidden bogus fees here. You see so many of these dealers online, they put a real nice price. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and a complimentary 90-day nationwide factory type warranty. So by the time you have the cost of all their hidden bogus fees, shipping, Carfax, warranty, that real nice price you saw online has literally jumped $10,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about all those before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you and no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, what else are they not being fully transparent about? I can't speak for them, but that's exactly why we're out here doing these videos today. 100% transparency. And you know, as far as those dealers, there's a name for this in the industry. It's called making money on the back end. They intentionally put a super low price online, fully knowing they're gonna stack $10,000 fees, warranty gap on the back end, you know, tie downs, all that stuff, shipping, knowing they're gonna make a whole bunch more money on you. So quit falling for those used car salesman games and gimmicks. Nice hard brake coming down the ramp here, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, exactly what we're looking for. Turn the AC down here, it's nice and cold, freezing me out in here, works great. If you would like to give us a call or text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah, I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to, call or text me. I challenge you, I want you to ask our competitors if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back? Or maybe you do get a live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who now has your phone number, gonna call you, text you, blow you up 10 times a day to try and get that commission check. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and you're also like me and want to avoid those used car salesman types like the plague, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, we're gonna sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'd be happy to take an application over the phone. So radio works just fine too. Wanted to show you that. One of the things we check for sure. Didn't want to forget that one. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country. Whether standard or a mobility vehicle, get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come visit us, we do welcome that. But reminder, you do need to make an appointment 365 days a year. So no exceptions to that rule. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video. Hey, this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, nationwide warranty with every single vehicle, all with the best prices in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day, mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. The most thorough, transparent, and highly rated mobility dealer in the entire country. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. Appreciate you checking us out, giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.